Hello, I'm Alistair from CareCo, and I'm joined by Natasha, who is our occupational therapist at CareCo. And first of all, I suppose we really should ask you, what exactly is an occupational therapist?
An occupational therapist is a health professional that works with people who have difficulties or disabilities in day-to-day life and works with them to achieve function and independence with whichever activity is causing them difficulty.
How long have you been with CareCo now?
I started working alongside CareCo in 2016, and since then I've been advising their staff on how to better educate people when they come into the store to make sure they make the right purchases. And I've also been working on putting some information together for the users of the website to make sure that they can get some hints and tips on how to make the right purchases first time round. So riser recliners, adjustable beds, things within the kitchen, to make sure that everybody can have a quick overview of what might work for them or reasons why it might not work for them, to make sure they don't make the wrong purchase.
So give us an idea of the type of training that you do with our staff.
So I'll attend showrooms and meet and work with the showroom staff and give them education on health conditions, disabilities, and how to use pieces of equipment. Some tips of the trade, as it were, as to how to make things work better for an individual with a particular condition, to really make sure that the service they're offering the client, the person coming into the workshop, it's tailored to their individualised need. It's personalised support when they make a purchase.
Although a customer might come in for one particular piece of equipment, once the member of staff is aware of the condition, actually there's a whole raft of different living aids that we do that might also prove to be massively beneficial to make their lives more comfortable.
And that's where the showrooms are invaluable. People can come in and just have a look around and have an experiment. And quite often you'll hear people say, I hadn't realised that was available. I didn't know that's what that was for. And seeing it in use and playing with it makes them realise, actually, that would take a lot of stress out of my day by having that piece of equipment, or that would reassure my family if they knew I had something like that.
Finally, to finish off with, for our viewers watching us online or in their homes, and they're thinking about CareCo, they're thinking about maybe a developing condition or circumstance, and they're hearing you as an occupational therapist, what would your advice be to them in helping them choose the right way forward?
Always come and talk to somebody and experiment. Never buy straight out of a catalogue if you're not 100% sure that piece of equipment is going to work for you. I've seen too many people having a whole kitchen full of pieces of equipment that are not right for their needs and can cause them more harm than good. Come and talk, share your experiences, and let people advise you on the best option for you.
And if people can't get to a showroom on any particular day, of course, we've got a fantastic staff at the other end of a phone as well who will be able to guide.
And online videos. Look at the videos.
And we're going to be making a lot more of these as well, which will hopefully help our customers in the future make those right decisions. Natasha, thank you very much indeed. And thank you very much indeed for watching as well. Take care.